this quick guide, I'll show you how to build a complete business app in Jotform without writing a single line of code. If you've always wanted your own app but thought it required programming, Jotform makes the entire process simple and accessible. Start by opening your browser and searching for Jotform. Once the website loads, log into your account, and if you're new to the platform, creating an account only takes a moment and gives you access to all the tools you need. After logging in, you'll land in your workspace, look for the menu and select My Apps, then click Create App. Now, Jotform will let you choose how you want to begin. You can start from a blank canvas, use a ready-made template, build an online store, or even clone an existing app. Choose whichever option fits your goal. Once your app opens in the builder, you'll see a panel on the left filled with elements you can add. These include forms, pages, images, videos, buttons, text, links, and widgets. Just drag any item from the panel and drop it onto your app. This is the beauty of Jotform. Everything is visual and completely code-free. You can rearrange elements, adjust the layout, and design your app exactly the way you want. When your content is in place, open the settings to customize privacy, access permissions, and integrations. If your business uses other tools, Jotform can connect with many of them to streamline your workflow. Once everything looks the way you want, it's time to share your app. Jotform makes publishing easy with options to share through email, social platforms, or direct links. And that's all it takes. With Jotform, creating a fully functional business app is quick, intuitive, and completely code-free. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your app.